Hello and welcome to Ghosty once again with another nature vlog. Yes. Definitely all the greenery is yeah. It's coming back, that's for sure. Oh, grass. Is that grass? I can't remember. Yeah, you fuck if you retarded flying rodents. Oh, these stinging nettles. Yeah, all this tall grass. And the leaves are coming back on the these ashes, these mountain ash. Yeah, that definitely needs to be. Nobody's there, but the rest of the tree leaves. Yes. Cattails are full bloom, grooving. That's for sure. Yeah. What day is it? 2nd March I'm recording this. So this going to be on the 3rd of March. What days you can do? Yeah. Aye. Seriously, what do people insist on throwing bottles and shit all over the place? They fucking lazy fuck. There's a freaking bin in that direction. Literally not that far. Oh, for fuck's sake. Shut your fucking dog up. Aye, fucking aye. Good grief. Bloody dogs. Aye. I think the street was going. Shut your fucking dogs up. Is it really that fucking hard? For dog owners to shut their fucking mongrels up. Well, he's not I still know how to leave on yet. I wonder why. Purple flowers for Trish if she still watches these videos. There's a little waterfall there. Oh, look at ball. There it is. Hey, this definitely looks like an animal track. That's for sure. Anyway, nothing else to say, so until next time, ladies and gentlemen, whatever.